thoughts about the Duromax Experience Center?
See, the fact that this entire thing is, basically compiled in such a small place, it's very nice, and especially for professionals like us. Something together at one place, you can see the variety, you can see the quality, you can see the performance, and it's good for us, it's easy for us, we can bring our clients here. It's centrally located, beautiful location it has, very much accessible. So all in all, we have been to a lot of experience centers and all that. This one I prefer, or I like it, the way it has been come up, designed very well, all the complete varieties here. You can see, like I said, everything. You can see this balcony covering thing and different colors, and so it's all in all, it's a very nice experience center.
Go in detail with. Sometimes we choose a horizontal window, sometimes we choose a vertical window, sometimes we choose a window which doesn't have a obstruction in the middle. We want to maximize the view. Sometimes we want to fade off the window from the outside. So these options are very important for me, and they're very limited brands which I think can take care of these many aspects of window designing, and hence Duromax is a very important role player in my practice, because Duromax has been giving us, energizing us with these kind of windows, which we have so many options available which Duromax gives us. And in one house, I remember we have used 4 or 5 different kind of windows to achieve a result which we wanted, and only Duromax could give us those solutions. So I'm very happy, and that's the reason I wanted to make this experience center for you, Ashim, because I feel indebted for you have been giving us some amazing deliveries in past so many years, and all our clients seem to be very happy, and they have been enjoying the windows, and you have always, your team has been very professional, giving products in time, the after sales service, everything is very, I must say, immaculately done. So congratulations for your growth, congratulations for this opportunity for designing this space for you.
A seamless service on all of our projects, again and again. Your team has been working with us for a lot many projects on farmhouses and villa projects. So in fact, a lot of occasions we've realized that clients often face this difficulty that they want to see the product installed. So we've been seeing samples, small pieces of your sections and profiles. But for the client to see the seamless working of a complete aluminum section and a window, it's very important that they see the product installed. Yeah. And I'm glad that such kind of display center here will, I think, and that's going to solve all of our problems on instance.
Absolutely. We have the entire range on display over here, right from slide and fold systems to minimal sliding systems to lifted slide systems to vertical automated windows. We have them all over here, and I think that's, as you rightly said, resolves a lot of issues with respect to customers who want to actually see a product before they finalize on it, and
it's also going to probably eliminate our hassle of making them visit an existing project of ours. Because a lot of times people request that please take us to an existing project where the system has been installed.
Yes.
So that gets totally eliminated. We can bring them there now. And it's a beautifully designed center where all the projects are very beautifully displayed there.
First of all, I'd like to start with just saying, before I speak about the space, I think this is a culmination of all the efforts and hard work you put in the industry. So cheers to that.
Cheers. Thank you so much for that. And what are your thoughts about the center you've had around? You've looked at the products, you've seen the kind of range that we have, you've seen the kind of execution that we're doing with respect to the products over here, and you've already experienced us working in the market. So what is your thoughts, and how do you find us doing with respect to fenestration and growing the industry?
So I think one couple of things. Firstly, not only do you have a full range of products and different materials going from UPVC to aluminium, as well as indigenous profiles to imported sections from the best manufacturers in the world, what we are using in our international projects. I think because you've been in the industry so long, in the fenestration industry, and also specifically working with the hardware, so you understand the nitty-gritties, because most manufacturers don't, even they themselves don't understand sometimes, the importance of certain things. So I was very pleased to see the explanation of each and every hardware component and how it helps in various functions. So not only for us as architects, but also when we bring a client, it's very easy to explain to them why something is better than the other, because for them, sometimes they may not see these hidden components.
What do you think sets us apart from others in the industry?
It's not one, there are a couple of things. Number one, which is the most crucial and most important, that you are ready, the site is not ready. So that's a beautiful experience. Generally, this industry, this trade is taken as, that things will get delayed and all that. And especially, always we have found that with previous partners and all that especially doors and windows getting delayed and all, and sizes getting varied. There are some, there's some discomfort level with the product getting ready and the site getting ready. Here we find, number one, there is no mismatch between what is happening in your workshop and what is happening at our site, because you are sending your people regularly at the site and all that, so that is under control. Number two, times as you promised, you are ready. We are not ready. Three was most important, which was, what you promised, you delivered. So I feel that so far with all the projects we are doing together, the experience has been great.
I hope to continue with that journey with you.
Yes, I'm sure. There's no hope in it. I'm sure that it will go the way we want and the way it's going on.
So one positive thing you'd like to mention about Duromax Building Systems, since we've already been part of, we've been privileged to be part of your projects, I would say. Thank you so much for that opportunities. One positive thing that you find as Duromax as your preferred partners for Fenestration.
So we've been working with you for, like I just mentioned, for a lot of projects. And the best part about Duromax is the service that you guys provide. I mean, I don't remember an occasion when the client had to actually call me up that the product isn't getting delivered on time, or even when we are dealing with the company at the drawing level where all kinds of permutation combinations are being experimented. Even at that stage, I don't think as an architect there has been too much of hassle that we have to go through. I mean, unlike a lot of vendors where there's a lot of back and forth working on in terms of the drawings also that one has to go through.
Yeah.
Here the process has been actually seamless, and I truly appreciate your working process that you've properly integrated in our systems here, and the entire process has been very smooth and hassle-free.
Really appreciate those kind words. Means a lot for all of us.
And not only me, I think all my clients would vouch for the fact that their journey has been very, very smooth.
One thing, when you design your buildings, how important is fenestration for you, or doors, windows, facades for you, in terms of, not only in terms of aesthetics, I'm sure aesthetics plays a very important role, but in terms of functionality, in terms of finishing, and in terms of execution? How do you think fenestration and choosing the right partner plays a very important role?
Well, I think in today's day and time, earlier it used to be just an opening in the wall, but today most of the facades are glass.
Yeah.
In terms of, I don't mean that with respect to just the area, but everybody wants more openness, as we say, and more natural light coming in. So the quality of the fenestrations matter a lot. And I think it's not, like you said, just the aesthetics, which is important and changes from building to building, but functionally how we use that in terms of the heat and the acoustics makes a lot of difference. So the technical input which you explained on number of products, especially acoustically and with respect to your heat insulation, it makes a lot of difference. I think one, it's the sizes, the possibilities have really opened up now, and when we use the right hardware, it makes all the difference, because the same size of door, it could be a lot of effort to open, but when it's so easy that anybody can open it with 2 fingers, it makes all the difference. And I think you bring up something important. A lot of people are going with what they're assuming to be more economical products in the short run, because they might be cheaper to purchase. But we've seen in the long run, in 10 years, 15 years, maybe even 20 years, that's when the real durability shows.
Thank you so much, Weber, for joining us today and being part of our celebrations, gracing the occasion at our launch. And we look forward to being associated with you and your projects in the near future and for many more years and months to come. So thank you so much for joining, and thank you guys for watching, and look forward to having you at the Duromax Experience Center very soon. Thank you.